Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting. If you want to get a break or temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account, so let's see how can you do this. So you just have to make some simple settings. You just have to keep a long press on your WhatsApp app, then select info icon from here and here. First of all, just go for notifications and you must have to disable notifications from here. So after that, if you will receive any SMS or message from your WhatsApp, so it will not notify you. And after that, just go for mobile data and here you must have to disable the allow background data usage. Just disable this. So after that, your WhatsApp will not be able to use your data to send or receive messages. After doing that, you just have to keep a long press on your WhatsApp app again and then select remove, another uninstall. Just select remove and it will remove your WhatsApp app from your home screen. If you want to get it, you can easily get it in your app drawer or app library. And after doing that, you just have to open your WhatsApp and then tap on three dots in the top right corner. Select settings from here, then go for privacy, and here you must have to disable some settings. First of all, just tap on last seen and online. From here, just select nobody and then select same as the last seen. So when you have enabled these settings, your last seen and online status will be hidden from contacts or everyone. And here just tap on profile picture and select nobody. So after that your profile picture will be hidden. And after that, here your status, you must have to select my contacts accept or only share with. Just select this option and here after that your status will be hidden from your contacts. So in this way you can easily deactivate your WhatsApp app. So that's how you can easily temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.